If you are seeing the message unable to access your account on WhatsApp, don't worry. Here is how to fix it on Android quickly. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try switching between them to see if that helps. Next, make sure your phone's date and time are set correctly. Go to your phone settings, then find date and time settings and enable automatic date and time. An incorrect time setting can block WhatsApp login. Now open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if an update is available. Outdated versions can cause login errors, so make sure it's fully up to date. Also, clear WhatsApp's temporary files. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Manage Apps or App Management, then find WhatsApp from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. This removes any corrupt data that might be blocking your access. If you are still having problem, uninstall and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. This will give you a fresh installation without affecting your backups if they are already saved to Google Drive, so make sure it. Lastly, if the problem is due to a temporary server issue on WhatsApp side, give it a little time and try it again later. If this helped you fix the login problem, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials.